We're here at Anywhere Audio and More, and we just finished working on this 2022 Porsche Taycan, their electric vehicle from Porsche. And we installed the brand new Radenso radar detector system, which is custom installed and has these laser diffusers in the front. There's actually 3 of them. There's one right here, and there's a TX sensor, and there's the other one. And what those do is it diffuses and blocks all the newest and latest laser guns on the market. Also in the front of the bumper, hidden, you can't see, is the radar detector itself for the X and K and KA band. In the rear, there's also a radar detector module hidden inside the bumper back here, and it does transmit and work through plastic. And here in the rear, we have the laser diffusers, left and right. And these basically give you a coverage of about 2 feet around so that it protects everything in the rear of the vehicle. And lastly, we'll show you the custom 3D printed housing up here, which is the controller. So this housing, we've 3M adhered to the window. And there's the display. If you'd like an estimate on your vehicle, contact us through our website at www.aaexperts.com.